Quick little pad infill today here. Got Malik, Fuccillio. They were able to get the truck washing out, in and out. Thought I was going to have to wheelbarrow it, but we got it in there in the house. We were able to sneak the chute around there. I'm going to cut out Bluestone, piece it back in. Got some used Bluestone there. Antiqued. That's the job at hand. All this is going to be ground out, repointed, everything glued down probably, because it's probably all going to get loose. So see what we can do. Give it a nice pressure wash. Get all that off.